drive down to Columbus, get off on Columbus, and we'll just take 31 the whole way down to Scottsburg.
The boys are thirsty in Atlanta, and there's beer in Texarkana, and we'll bring it back.
I don't know where we're gonna be able to skate when it's dark, right?
Yeah.
So I figured tonight we can either just like camp / go down to Louisville and skate, and then tomorrow we can just head that way as far as we can get in the day and come back.
Short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run. The preacher man says it's the end of time. The Mississippi River, she's a growing crying. The interest is up and the stock market's down, and you're only getting mugged if you go downtown. I live back in the woods, you see. The woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Yeah, country folks can survive because you